load for free. Take the load off Amy. Hey, hey. Put the load right on me.
Thank you.
Crosslake Days in Crosslake, Minnesota. Community events can be a lot of fun to go to, so Peanut and I went to go check one out in Crosslake, Minnesota. It's not too far of a drive from us here in the BLA. The town square and the rest of the city all band together and bring in a lot of joy. Between the live music and the chili cook-off and all the different shopping, this day was a definite success, but my favorite part was the loon calling contest. I've never seen that anywhere else besides up in Ely, Minnesota, so it was definitely something I was looking forward to going to and seeing. The vendor selection this year was excellent. There was a lot of variety and different options for shopping. My favorite part about it was the freeze-dried candies, I'm not gonna lie. They are so good. But this band by far was the highlight of the entire day, and I was so excited to see them. You could hear the music across the entire city. Cannot wait to see you guys again.
Did you mean what you just said?
The Stop the North Loon Calling Contest is about to begin. If you are Alright, way to go, Paige. This is very courageous. This is wonderful. Hold on.
I lost the bet.
All right, Bill. Thank you, TJ. Loon Center, thank you for being here. The National Loon Center is really pleased to offer this competition. We're really excited. Just a few hundred yards to our west, the National Loon Center campus. We hope to have that finished and open to the public in 2025. So we're getting real close to that. In the meantime, we're really excited about the programs we're doing. The stewardship, hopefully many of you have been on that. Great pontoon ride out on Crosslake to look to see up the loons and learn about the ecology of our freshwater ecosystems, how you can better protect loons and lakes. First place, Leah. You get the loon floating. Big round of applause for Leah. We're going to go Cheryl and then we're going to go Keith. Ready? Josie is going to try one more time, but he says it might not be as good as the first one.
Congrats to all the winners. Make sure you come check everything out again next year.